how does a man established in the unified field, transcendental consciousness, experience time and space? Is a man in unity consciousness ever in a hurry?
Anyone who is in a hurry means he quickly wants to come out of the muddle. He quickly wants to come out of pain and suffering and trouble and disorder. Anyone established in his total reality, there is no hurry to him. That is because he is on the level of himself. He sees there is nothing more to go, nothing to achieve. He is totality, all in himself. He is bliss. So no more search. He is on the plateau. He roams about on the plateau. He is not on the peak that there is a danger of falling this side or this side. His peak is a plateau. He himself is in his individuality a complete universality. Nothing to say, nothing to go, nothing here or there. Everything is always here and everything is always there. No more to go. It's very beautiful, very beautiful. I think your peace government is such a beautiful parental role that this will be enjoyed by all the people, either as a ruler or ruled, it doesn't matter what. This government is such a parental role. A parental role always desires the children, and the parents always want the children to be more than what they are. This is the parental role. They want to see the children always more than what they are. This is even the desire of these topsy-turvy governments. Even today, head of every government desires, what more can I do for my people? The parental role that he is made of, the president of every country, the prime minister of every country, anyone in the ruling field always desires, what more can I do for my people? This parental role will be so beautifully fulfilled by the governance of the peace government. What they will do, what they are doing now, establishing universities, Vedic universities. Vedic means total. Total means international and global. Total knowledge, international knowledge, global knowledge to every single student. Enormous. It's just like light and the darkness is over. The global, international, cosmic law governing any level of life. No problems, because there is nothing to fight the other. That is why this sense of a unified government to rise in the currently governing structures of the world, these governments, is a natural thing, Only we'll see how long it takes. It's not going to take much time. The whole thing, happiness, harmony, bliss, this is so infectious. Everyone is going to have it, and soon we'll hear our world of differences will be a beautiful mosaic of differences, which we always say. Beautiful mosaic of differences will begin to be appreciated. That's all. The thing is there. It has to begin to be appreciated. It's very good.